Randall M. Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Randall M. Rueff. Just got up from going to Columbus, Indiana, to go see Dr. Amy Hale today at them care at Columbus Regional Hospital in Columbus, Indiana. A while back, she subscribed this Ketoconazole shampoo, 10% shampoo. This is the second bottle I had prescription for. Well, this ran out, and last time I was there, she said what I needed to get instead of this was some Selsun Blue. So, this morning, before we even went to the doctor, first bottle of Selsun Blue. And when I went there today, that was one of the things she brought up, was the fact, asked me if I needed a prescription for this. And I said, no, we bought some Selsun Blue. In fact, we got my first bottle. I told her we ran out, got my first bottle, in fact, before we came there today. And I said, well, I haven't used it yet, so I don't know if it's going to work. She says, I guarantee it's going to work. It's going to do the same thing. This is going to do the same thing as this, and you don't need a prescription. So there was three kinds. I got the medicated with menthol maximum strength, so that sounded good. There was one for dry scalp, and there's another one for some, I think it was oily hair. So anyway, I know one was for dry scalp. But I got the one that says medicated maximum strength, so I figured that's going to be what I want. I used the last of this morning. Got up, took a shower. You can see my skin's pretty clean, so it's pretty good. It works pretty good. So she guarantees this stuff is going to work just to use this. So I'm going to be using this from now on. It looks it's a neat looking bottle. So I just thought I'd do a little update on my reflection. Isn't it beautiful? But anyway, going to be using this from now on as my shampoo. So just a little update. Oh, plus I lost 37 pounds since my last visit, so that's good too. Not as much as I was hoping to do 50 or more, but I lost 37 pounds since my last doctor visit. So not complaining, but just I was hoping it would be more. But 37 pounds less than my last visit with Dr. Amy Hale at Care in Columbus, Indiana, Columbus Regional Hospital. Sounds good. So until next time, I'm Randall M. Rueff. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. 73. That's ham radio. It means goodbye.